the last class we studied or we derived a theorem that is to prove that sum of the three angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees or equal to two right angles. Based on the concept we solved some questions too. Here we continue the questions based on the concept plan, that is sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Here we start from the basic questions to some important questions to warm up you. The basic question here is question 1. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 70 degrees, angle B is equal to 50 degrees. Find angle C. You may get love by looking at this question. We have this question in class 5. I said already, we start from the basic to the typical one for the sake of all levels of students. Solution. We know the sum of three angles of any triangle is always 180 degrees. So I write, in triangle ABC, I have three angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C, whose sum is 180 degrees by property, that is sum angle property. Okay. A known by 70 degrees and B by 50 degrees. C is unknown to be solved, but the total is we know by property, that is 180 degrees. So 120 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Finally, we reach angle C is equal to 180 minus 120. This is 60 degrees. The basic questions we solve. Now here onwards, we move a step ahead in the same concept. Okay. The next question is, okay, in question number 2, of three angles of a triangle, one is twice the smaller and the other is thrice the smaller. Find the angles. Okay. The question seems to be very confusion and seems to be very lengthy also, but very simple the concept. The question is, out of three angles, one is, that means the second angle. The second angle is twice of this, and other, that means third angle, is three times of this. If I take this x, this is 2x, this is 3x. Problem solved. So I define, let one angle out of three is x degrees. Therefore, I define it as second angle, since it is 2 times, it is 2x degrees, and the third angle, it is 3 times of the smaller, that is 3x degrees. We got the sum of these three is 180 degrees by property. Therefore, x degrees plus 2x plus 3x is 180 by sum of angles property. Okay. So we get 6x is equal to 180 degrees and x is 180 by 6, which gives 30 degrees. So we got the smallest angle. Okay. Therefore, first angle is equal to 30 degrees and second angle, that is 2x, that is 2 of 30, which is 60 degrees, and third angle 3 of 30, which is 90 degrees. The sum of all these 180 degrees. And also we can comment the triangle is a right angle triangle because one of the angle is 90 degrees. This is one level. See the next question. And the question 3, sum of two angles of a triangle is 80 degrees and their difference is 20 degrees. Find all the angles. Okay. You have the sum of two angles and also difference of two angles. I may say a plus b is 80, a minus b is equal to 20. Okay, I define the first two angles are a and b, or two angles. In the question, in triangle, since the triangle name is not mentioned, I may take up any triangle of my choice, that is, I take ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B is 80 degrees by question, and also angle A minus angle B is also given, that is 20 degrees. This is the given part. Okay, and also I give 1 and 2 to the given statements. I continue here. Add 1 and 2. That means a plus b is equal to 80 and a minus b is equal to 20. A plus b is equal to 80, a minus b is equal to 20. Add, I said. So 2a is equal to 100. Therefore, a is equal to 100 by 2, that is 50 degrees. Okay, we got angle A. Now subtract the same. Subtract 1 and 2. The same a plus b is equal to 80 and a minus b is equal to 20. This term you do subtract. That is, make it minus, plus, minus. Plus a minus a, cancel. Plus b. 2b is equal to 80 minus 20, 60. Therefore, angle B is equal to 60 by 2, that is 30 degrees. Okay. We got angle A and angle B. We can find C now. We know the sum of the angles is 180. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 by property. Angle A we reached 50, angle B is 30 and angle C to be find out, but the sum is 180. So 80 plus angle C is equal to 180. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 minus 80, which results 100 degrees. We got all the angles. It's too very important. The question seems to be very difficult but very easy to solve. If we add and subtract the given values, we get angle A, angle B simply. One more question. So in this question, 2 times of angle A and 3 times of angle B and 6 times of angle C are equal. Find the measure of each angle. So let me write what is given here. Angle A, 2 times of angle A and 3 times of angle B and 6 times of angle C are equal. So to get the ratio of these 3 angles, divide the LCM of these coefficients of angle A, B, C, that is 2, 3, 6. Here LCM of 2, 3, 6 is 6. So divide each by 6. Why? It is the LCM of 2, 3, 6. When I divide it by 6, let's see. 2 times of angle A by 6 is equal to 3 times of angle B by 6 is equal to 6 times of angle C by 6. 2 3 times, 3 2 times, 6 1 time. So we remain with angle A by 3 is equal to angle B by 2 is equal to angle C by 1. So we can say angle A is 2, angle B is 2, angle C is equal to 3 is to 2 is to 1. So I can assume angle A is equal to 3x degrees, angle B is equal to 2x, and whereas angle C is equal to x. By using sum of the angle property, we can find x and also all the three angles. Simple. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. A 3x plus 2x plus x is equal to 180. 6x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 6. That is 30 degrees. So we can find all the angles. But initially we see it's a very typical task. We cannot solve. We may skip also. Don't give up. It is very simple. Whatever the coefficients of the angle given, you have to divide each angle by the LCM of all the coefficients, so that you get a ratio. By using ratio, we can find all the three angles by using sum angle property. One more question. In this question, in triangle ABC, if angle A minus angle B is 15 degrees and angle B minus angle C is 30 degrees, find all the angles. Okay. Solution. We have A minus B is equal to 15 and B minus C is equal to 30. You are given angle A minus angle B is equal to 15, angle B minus angle C is equal to 30 degrees. From this we can find angle A. Angle A is equal to 15 plus angle B. Okay, and from this take the angle C. Angle B minus angle C is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore angle C is equal to angle B minus 30 degrees. Now let's add up all the angles. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A 15 plus B, 15 degrees plus B, plus angle B is unknown, plus angle C already we solved, B minus 30, B minus 30 is equal to 180 degrees. So 15 minus 30, B plus B plus B, 3B, that means 3 times of angle B, minus 15 is equal to 180 degrees. 3 times of angle B is equal to 180 plus 15. So 3 times of angle B is equal to 195. Angle B is equal to 195 by 3, which gives 65 degrees. We got angle B. Now we can find angle A. Angle A is already we got 15 plus B. 15 plus B, that is 65, that is 80 degrees. And angle C, B minus 30, that is 65 minus 30, that is 35. Angle B, we got 65. Let's check the sum. Is it 180 or not for confirmation? 5 plus 1, 10. 7, 10, 180. Okay. This is also an important question. We solve many more important and simple questions which are for 2 marks in our next videos. Thank you for watching.